It's time for the nurse to work.
Ice rolled up to knock you down, then shoot you back to life. You gon' need a little TLC, this light gon' get you right. Better bring it on, girl. Don't be scared. Take a pill, get your sickness cured. Healthcare, not ice if you ain't insured. Mama, I'm the baddest nurse in here.
Lightning makes no sound until it strikes.
It's time to take a dose of your electrolytes.
I'm gonna serve this like I should wash up and serve you clean. And administer your prescription of electricity. Girl, you in trouble, think you know what I'm talking about. Get some stretchers ready, cause when I talk them, they pass it out.
Cause it's essential for me to snap it pop. When Lady Lightning's on call, she come in to shock y'all.
We're saving lives, one bolt at a
You
time.
got this stuff in your face, you got a shock in your heart. We got it the cold blue, doctors checking your chart. We got a PhD in electricity, shock them every time. First you hear a crackle, then you get up, flatline. Hold your breath, I think it's time for a pulse change. Calm and rest and relax while I take a pulse change. You cooking this and that, confidential, you're essential. Got my Lady Lightning top, now bring my girls back. 20 over double L, blood pressure on the rise. Ice working care will make your condition stabilize. See it, feel it, I know that this is my time. Next level, bonfire, ignite it, survivor. Next level, bonfire, ignite it, survivor. Here we stand, hand in hand, no divide. Nothing will break you and I. Together we rise and we'll survive. Every heart will be true.
Check you in, no hesitation. I'm the nurse. You're the patient. If high voltage was an occupation, we serve extreme defibrillation.
Third dose of light is here.
The fire's alive.